Welcome everybody to week 6. Oh my gosh, week 6. The end is near. I can't believe it. I'll say it ain't so. Well, let me say this. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to stay connected. But amongst each other also, I encourage you to connect with each other on LinkedIn by other means to create a network of professionals that can support each other throughout your careers. Now, this week, week 6, we are doing quality and resource management. So quality operates within a project to ensure conformance to expectations and the requirements that we've established. And the standards are set now to achieve the deliverable. Remember, a deliverable by definition is a product, capability, or result to accomplish a service. Memorize that one too. Good one. And it is defined, a deliverable and the quality standards by the stakeholders. So consider these approaches to quality. So for me, when I see someone using something in a way that wasn't intended, drives me nuts. Pet peeve, maybe. I want to lecture the individual on the concept of fit for use or fit for purpose. So when I see someone, for example, with their feet up on an object, and later the object breaks, and they go, gosh, why did that break? I think I would offer to them that the object wasn't fit for that use, right? That the individual should expect it to break, right? Or a lot of times, I'll turn the conversation a different way. We'll say to someone, man, things just aren't built the way they were in the past. You know, those were the good old days. Well, stop and think that, is that a good thing? The quality costs money. We want quality, but it comes at a cost. So do we really want to build everything for the weight and sturdiness of the old days, right? What we want to do is build products with the right amount of quality fit for their purpose or use, right? So we can build great products as long as they're used for that purpose. But we don't need to make the entire object a fortress. All right, here's one last example. Do you catch yourself looking at how your groceries are packaged? I wonder. Yes, you do, admit it. Anyhow. Crushed boxes, dented cans, or torn plastic wrapping. If you choose a package that is not damaged, then you have just exercised quality control. Now, quality control is practical. I will not buy a product that are in damaged packaging generally, just in case the inside is also damaged. That is my quality assurance that the product is not broken in any way. Some of you might think, well, that's okay too, because you're exercising another key project management element of making trade-offs, right? If you do buy something that's damaged, you're making trade-offs like project managers do. And so in this case, the case between quality assurance and cost is the trade-off I'm talking about. Now, on a small scale, I hope these analogies make quality assurance and quality control more real to you. So let's return to these two topics. Now, this week, we will first discover key attributes of quality management, where we learn to ensure the scope or requirements, right, are adhered to as defined by the stakeholders. Then we'll want to build the deliverable. We'll also discuss the salient points of resource management in the process, including how to acquire the resources, either individual resources, people, or physical resources like buildings or cranes and things, and when to release these resources. Keep in mind that resources are your biggest project cost, most likely. So pay close attention here. Consider this as you read that there are 3 estimating processes in project management. Estimate the schedule, which you've had, estimating the costs, which you've had, and now estimate resources. And all of them center around resource management. Ha! I am sure that is not a point that escaped you. But I wanted to make that point here. The schedule and cost estimates are based on resource estimation, availability, and skill levels. So it's critical, it's very important to resource manager to focus on the ways to manage these resources. For personnel, this is a challenge that we can learn to address, including the stages of team development, conflict management, and we'll even apply motivational theory as we work to create high productivity teams. Okay, that's enough for me. Let's get started. Can't wait. See you online.